Everyone's coming back from their weekend ski trip. Welcome to Breckenridge, Colorado, where your ski trip awaits. Powder day today. It's going to be amazing. Ah! Stay up, though. Little wind tornado. Let's go get it. There it is. There it is. Oh yeah, I gotta tuck yourself in this. There she is. A little tight. a little tight. Okay. Yeah. Nice. The Mercury is doing stellar in this fresh powder. Groomers, bumps and jumps, even a little bit of jibbing. It's about as stiff as my old board, and it's not that stiff. I know it only rates like a 1 or a 2, but I'm very, very impressed out here in Breckenridge with a Pow Pow here. Day two, Breckenridge, Colorado. Her. Day two. Let's get some Pow Pow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, tuck it in. Some tasty nibbles. Yes, bro. Oh, some tasty nibbles. Oh, that's it right there. Shabam! Oh, woo! Dunk those tendies. That's it. Nice. You want to shoot down that corridor?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, right here on the edge. Oh, so good. Keep your speed up. Oh, tasty vittles. Tasty vittles, Drew. it is, there it is, there it is. Oh, there it is. Nice, nice and tight. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, let's drop in somewhere over here. Just fluffy. Oh, that's fun. Oh, look at this over here on the right too. This fluffy goodness right here. Oh yeah. The snow coming down. Oh, so good. Oh, let's get those turnies. Oh yes, yes, yes. Get those trees. Watch those branches. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna tuck in a little bit here. Oh, there he is. Slaps on the powder train over here. Burp, burp. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah, brother. Whew. Uh-oh.
You say I make you nervous.
Cabin Juice. Village is right here. Quicksilver Lift is right there. Come on in for some good, tasty food.
A tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster. A reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Cabin Juice gets double, triple thumbs ups. Stunningly beautiful food.
Can't bear the things I've had to face.
Day 3, Breckenridge, Colorado. Day 3.
Feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again.
Nice. There you go. Yeah, see, you can work your way back out and then cut back left if you find an opening. There you go. And that's a wrap on Breckenridge, Colorado.
Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways.